In this video, we listed the top 5 best outdoor security camera that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Eufy Security SoloCam E42. The Eufy Security SoloCam E42 is a premium outdoor 4K security camera designed to deliver crystal clear surveillance without any monthly subscription fees. Featuring 360 degrees pan and tilt, AI-powered motion tracking, and Solar Plus 2 technology with a removable solar panel, it provides continuous, hassle-free protection day and night. The camera includes smart features like a built-in strobe light and siren to deter intruders, wireless Wi-Fi connectivity, and seamless control through your smartphone or Amazon Alexa. With its weather-resistant design, rechargeable battery, and easy wall mount installation, the SoloCam E42 is an excellent choice for securing your home, driveway, yard, or business while enjoying high-quality video and intelligent monitoring. Number 2. ARCCTV Q1 Solar Security Camera. The ARCCTV Q1 Solar Security Camera 2-pack is a reliable wireless surveillance solution designed to keep your home protected both indoors and outdoors. Featuring 1440p HD video resolution, a 360 degrees viewing angle, and color night vision with infrared and LED lighting, it captures clear footage day and night. The cameras support dual-band 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, two-way audio for real-time communication, and smart motion detection alerts sent directly to your smartphone. Powered by a rechargeable battery and solar panel, they provide continuous, eco-friendly operation with minimal maintenance. Built with a waterproof design, 265 video compression, digital 10x zoom, and support for up to 256 GB microSD storage. The ARCCTV Q1 is an excellent choice for monitoring your home, garage, driveway, backyard, or office with dependable 24/7 security. Number 3. SEHMUA RBX S73 Solar Security Camera. The SEHMUA RBX S73 Solar Security Camera is a feature-packed outdoor surveillance solution that combines reliable performance with easy installation. Powered by a built-in 6000 mAh rechargeable battery and solar panel, it delivers continuous security without the hassle of frequent charging. The camera records sharp 2K video, offers an impressive 355 degrees pan and 360 degrees field of view, and features 4x digital zoom for enhanced monitoring. With full-color night vision up to 98 feet, motion detection alerts, and convenient app control, you can keep an eye on your property from anywhere. Its IP65 weatherproof design makes it ideal for year-round outdoor use, while the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection ensures stable wireless performance. Whether you're monitoring your home, garage, driveway, backyard, or office, the SEHMUA RBX S73 provides dependable, around-the-clock protection with clear video and smart security features. Number 4. WYZ Cam OG Security Camera. The WYZ Cam OG 2-pack is a versatile 1080p security camera system built for both indoor and outdoor monitoring. It delivers crisp Full HD video, enhanced color night vision up to 30 feet, and smart motion and sound detection to keep you informed of important activity. With two-way audio, a built-in spotlight, and local recording support, you can communicate with visitors and securely store footage without relying solely on the cloud. The IP65 weather-resistant design makes it suitable for homes, garages, driveways, offices, nurseries, and pet monitoring. Compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT, the WYZ Cam OG offers convenient voice control and seamless smart home integration. Easy to install and powered by a reliable corded connection, it provides dependable 24/7 security with excellent value for everyday surveillance. Number 5. Kasa Smart KC420 WS Outdoor Security Camera 002. The Kasa Smart KC420 WS Outdoor Security Camera is a dependable 4MP surveillance solution designed to provide sharp, detailed monitoring around the clock. Featuring up to 1440p video resolution, advanced starlight night vision with a range of up to 98 feet, and intelligent motion detection, it captures clear footage even in low-light conditions. Its IP65 weatherproof rating ensures reliable performance in rain, heat, and other outdoor environments, making it ideal for monitoring driveways, garages, entrances, and offices. The camera supports local recording, digital zoom, and Wi-Fi connectivity, while seamless integration with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant allows for convenient voice control. Powered by a stable corded connection, the Kasa Smart KC420WS delivers continuous 24/7 security with high-quality video and smart monitoring features for enhanced peace of mind.